Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Bitcoin from XMO to your Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with all the updates in the crypto world. Whether you're a beginner or have been trading for years, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your XMO account set up and verified. Log in to your XMO dashboard. It's the hub for all your trading and withdrawal activities. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw or Wallet section. This is where the magic happens. Next, select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Double-check that you're choosing the right network, like Bitcoin's native blockchain, to avoid any compatibility issues with your Tangem wallet. Now, grab your Tangem wallet address. You can find this by opening your Tangem app and going to the Receive section. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Remember to factor in any withdrawal fees. XMO usually displays these up front, so keep an eye on your balance. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll likely need to go through a two-factor authentication step for security. This might involve an email code or app verification. It's there to protect your funds. After confirmation, sit tight. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's processed, open your Tangem wallet app to verify that your Bitcoin has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. Your crypto is now safely in your hardware wallet. A quick tip: always double-check addresses and use secure connections to prevent hacks. And if you run into any issues, XMO's support team is usually helpful. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.